Chuck by line it now if you want to.
It's powder coated.
Stop stroking the fan.
Wow.
You're on camera.
Straight up.
So you'd like to buy my Jeep, Tyler?
New motor account. How long can I have it for?
You're good.
How long's an hour?
An hour is consistent of 2 minutes.
Oh,
Okay, gotta
nope,
go up a little bit.
Need to go up higher? Tyler, just tip it up with your muscles. Let's go.
Can you go up any higher now?
Lift it, lift it.
I want you to
Lift it.
Both of you lift it, one push. Oh God. Okay. We're good. We're good.
Hey guys.
We got a drive shaft in the way. Stop. Move the shaft. Everyone, move the shaft.
Yep, it's kind of there.
Oh fuck.
We're gonna have to push it forward. You have to push it as you lower it.
Did we have? Is this all the way out?
Yeah.
Oh, when you lower it, it's gonna go that way. So.
Yeah, make sure you still push it though.
Oh, I know.
Slower.
You guys are missing all the fun part.
Oh yes.
We're watching,
I'm
we're
staying
watching.
as far away from that shit as possible.
Take out the fanning.
Oh my god, someone's gonna lose fingers.
This is a bitch part.
Our pants are gonna
Make sure you keep out space in it.
He's like so
Okay, lower phone.
Watch it be the wrong motor.
Oh,
Oh,
no.
jeez.
I have to get the
I already yelled at him, don't worry.
Knock on wood right now.
It's all metal!
There's glass. Hey, my phone's glass. I know for a
Oh,
fact.
oh.
Oh.
Wow, what are you doing?
There's a whole bunch of wooden.
Glasses, dude.
What?
Not kind of glasses for me.
There's a whole
Oh,
bunch
we gotta
of
get the pipe.
wooden handle stuff behind
We
you.
have to get the input shaft inside the thing. This is the part that's gonna suck, dude. This is you're gonna have to jack up the tranny or do something. This is